Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this WaterSong bathroom faucet here, WSADO 41002. It's a tap, a bathroom tap made of chrome-plated brass with ceramic material. It's a bathroom tap for hot and cold mixing water. Strainer tap with DVGW certification. And, of course, easy installation. High quality brass material is this device made from. The brass tap can kill 99% of bacteria in the tap water and prevent the bacteria growth. At the same time, the bathroom tap has good wear resistance and it is easy to work with, so that they can meet our different requirements. You can see, first step is remove the old tap. The old faucet does not belong in our bathroom because now it comes to this nice device here. We have a one-handle control. The one-handle design of this bathroom faucet allows an easy control of the flow and of the water temperature. We can set the water temperature as hot or cold or between them. We do to the durable and high quality ceramic cartridge of this sieve tap. Both temperature and water jet can be permanently easily adjusted. And we have a 4-layer fittery. The tap with the honeycomb carbonator has 4 layers. The first layer blocks large impurities, while the rest helps to filter small particles. When applied, it provides a fresh and pure experience. In addition, all filters are extremely durable and save us the hassle of maintenance. And you can see it's really easy to install. The simple design makes it easy to install and clean this bathroom faucet ourselves. We does not need to hire a plumber to install that tap, but we can do the installation DIY yourself, which is convenient for every consumer like us. It saves time and it's effort and money too. DVGW certification, this scaling. This brass bathroom tap is DVGW certified and meets certain water quality standards. The brass faucet can provide us and our family with high quality water to protect our health and that of our family too. And it's really easy, as you can see. The first step is switch off the water supply. The hot water comes from the left side. The cold water comes from the right side. This is a plumber standard. If we switch it off, this supply, we can remove the tubes from it. And after we remove the tubes, we can remove the old tap easily. The old faucet is most of the time is attached by a bolt. This bolt we have to unscrew. Then we remove it, and then we can install that new faucet easily. That means on the faucet we have 2 pipes, red inlet pipe and blue inlet pipe. The blue is for the cold water, the red is for the hot water. And we get this through our sink tray and then we come from the bottom side. The first step is the rubber plate, then the metal plate, and then the locking system. We rotate it into position until it matches and hold the faucet in position. At the end, we get this faucet in line with our bath tube, and then we tighten the 2 screws. After this, we can attach the inlet pipes. Red is left for hot and the blue is right for the cold water supply. Then we can switch the water supply back on supplying services, and then we have a new faucet installed. That's really easy. Of course, you have to look that there is no leaking. If there's leaking, use a tool to tighten the connections a little bit more. This is really cool and easy. To maintain the proper working conditions, cleaning is required when a mineral deposit appears. No spray nozzles. To clean the mineral deposits, gently rub a rubber nozzle on the face of the shower head to dislodge. To clean heavier deposits, we remove the shower head and soak the face down in a cup of white vinegar for 2 up to 3 hours. We replace the shower head and run in each spray settings to flush out the vinegar. We do not use the harsh chemicals, heavy-duty cleaners, or abrasives. This may damage parts of a finish and may void the warranty too, of course. If we thus have no water flow from the shower, to confirm the previous show, we have to look that the water supply is online. That's the first step. If it is leaking, we have to tighten a little bit the connections, and then it's everything okay with the WaterSong faucet. It's a bathroom tap. It's made of chrome-plated brass with ceramic materials. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.